Hello friends, welcome to this practical course on STAADPro software. In the previous lecture, I have showed you how to prepare these plinth beams and how to assign the supports at this foundation joints. Now, in this lecture, I will show you how to customize the quick access toolbar. So for example, if you want to measure the distance between any two nodes, then you can click on utilities and click on the node tools option. Click on node to node distance. So for example, if you want to measure the distance between these two nodes, which is nothing but the depth of foundation below ground level, so click on this node and click on the second node. So the depth of foundation below ground level is 5 feet. Similarly, you can measure the distance between any two nodes by clicking on those two nodes like this. If you want to remove the node to node distance from your screen, then you can again go to node tools and click on remove node to node distance option. Now if you want to select only columns from your model, then you can go to select option and click on beams parallel to Y. So as you can see, now only columns have been selected. Similarly, if you want to select only plinth beams, which is nothing but beams parallel to X and beams parallel to Y, then again go to select beams parallel to X and then click on beams parallel to Z. So now only plinth beams are selected. Now if you want to see only plinth beams on your screen, then you can click on view option and click on the selected objects view. So now you can see that only plinth beams are visible on your screen. To again go back to the normal structure, you can click on the display whole structure option. So there are some commands that we will be using more frequently. So what we will do is we will customize the quick access toolbar and we will add the tools which we are using it more and more frequently. So click on this down arrow and click on more commands. The first command that we will add to our quick access toolbar is the isometric view. So click on the isometric view and click on this arrow pointing on the right hand side. Now we will add the left hand side view. So click on the left view and again click on this arrow. Now we will add the top view button. So click on the top view and click on the right sided arrow. Now we will add the display whole structure view option. So click on this display whole structure and click on the arrow. Now we'll add the load list option. Now we'll add the node cursor option. We'll add node to node distance option. We'll also add remove node to node distance. And we will also add the selected view objects option. So selected objects and click on the right hand arrow. So we have added these options to our quick access toolbar. So now click on OK. So now as you can see that the options that we will use more frequently have been added over here. So guys, that's all for this video. You can like, share and subscribe to my channel so don't miss any future update for this practical course. See you in the next video.